area's all dug out, ready for the patio, porcelain. Everything's getting delivered tomorrow. Lawn area down here, and then this area is dug out for a hardcore base that customer's going to lay these slabs. So yeah, good progress. Allowed 4 days on the dig out and prep. We're day 2, so happy with where we're at. Turf can't go in with a non-recyclable grab, so that's a little bit annoying. But do you have any problems with waste at all? Let us know in the comment section below. Right, we're at the weekend, scalping's in, still needs to be whacked, tiles in, pile for over there, sand and cement in, scalping's done, 2 recessed drains still Monday before the first row goes in, flower beds.